4 years ago, I became a global Goodwill ambassador for the United Nations Environment Programme. It meant so much to me because I could really step up my activism on nature and climate, which is very close to my heart. But one of the things that's really, really special to me is that I get to meet such incredible young people. They have big ideas with huge potential for people and the planet. Each year, the UNEP awards the Young Champions of the Earth prize to 7 young changemakers. The competition is tough. In fact, 2020 saw a record number of applications, and I am so delighted to introduce you to the winner for the Asia and Pacific region right now. So welcome, Xiaoyuan Ren. Congratulations. Can you please tell us about what you've developed and what's the incredible work that you've been doing? Tell us all.
So imagine it's a morning. We wake up, we turn on the faucet, we brush our teeth, we wash our faces, and we probably get some water to drink. We almost take it for granted. But for over tens of millions of rural villagers across China, clean and accessible water is still a luxury. It's something that sometimes they only buy during the holidays when their kids are around. And I founded my H2O to really change that. We're building a water information network by training hundreds of youth teams to go into thousands of villages to help them test their water, to educate the communities, and really make these concerns heard. Through our mapping platform, their needs and the water information are now visualized, and now solutions have been delivered to thousands of villages so far in the past 5 years. And we are hoping that with increasing amount of support, we're reaching millions.
I have absolutely no doubt that you are going to inspire so many people with this. I mean, you've already completely inspired me. Yeah, I can't wait to see what you do next.
Thank you so much.